I am back again with another video. I should have went to the store. I thought it wasn't gonna be, I didn't think it was gonna be no Blizzard. That's my front. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, look at that. You can see it from here. Turn that light off and see how it does. I don't know if that does any good or not, but the light helps me see through my house. Oh, let me cut the alarm off real quick. Oh. Ah, Lord, hamburger. Ah, Lord. Okay, here we go. Let me turn this light out. It is a blizzard. And my neighbor's getting ready to go to work. I don't know how that ball got in my yard, but it's a blizzard. Oh, Lord. Okay, you guys, be careful wherever you are and it's blizzarding like it is. Oh my goodness. Should have went to the store, but I think I got enough food and canned goods. Not a lot of water. I could drink tap water though. Oh Lord, look at that. I knew we was gonna get it. Chicago cannot get past it. No time. Nah, not at all. Okay, you guys, peace and blessings. Take care, be safe. Who's ever in the Illinois area, praying for you in your travels to Good Friday morning. Stay safe.